Give me your ID.
Nope. Take me in. Tell me what I did.
You're not identifying yourself.
No. And my ears are plugged.
Here, step down here. Go ahead, go.
Don't be mean.
I'm not being mean.
Yeah.
I just said,
No.
okay.
Yeah.
Here, come with me. We're gonna go that way. You have a driver's license?
I just hope she can be immediately arrested for not having a driver's license.
You see it?
But I would like you to tell me why.
I will. I'll explain it to you.
I'm just going to apply with bullshit.
All right, come on. Come on. You're in a secure area. Come on. Huh? Come on. Can you what?
Smoke.
No, you can't smoke.
My ears are plugged.
All right, come on. I'm Sergeant Marshall. I work for the Charlotte County Sheriff's Office.
And what is the problem?
Good, keep resisting. This can be over soon.
Go.
Is this your husband?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me have your ID. Hey, you can go ahead.
No. Not until you tell me.
Okay. Listen, I'm
What
going
is
to
the
arrest
problem?
you if you don't give me your ID.
You have
Plain
no
and
right.
simple.
No right.
Yes.
Actually, you know what?
Drunk.
My son.
your ID.
What? I'm what?
Drunk and disorderly.
Nice try to warn her, but she's not reasonable.
Listen, I don't care. I didn't give you the drinks.
I'm not drunk.
Marcy,
No.
give him your
No.
ID.
Give me your ID.
Marcy, just give me your ID or go home. Let's go. Come on.
You go.
No, I'm not.
This all started because of you.
It's nothing to do with
Listen.
It did.
Listen, this doesn't have to be that hard. I just need your information.
Our favorite passenger, Marcy, continues to resist and argue with the officer.
What's her name?
Marcy.
Spell her first name.
No.
M-A-R-C-Y.
Quit.
Hey.
Go.
You stop it.
No.
Stop.
Arrest me.
I may.
I welcome it.
I may. Don't touch
I
me.
welcome
Do
it.
not touch
Marcy.
me.
You know why I welcome it? Because I have it all on
Okay,
video.
what's her first name?
Marcy.
Spell it.
M-A-R-C-Y.
M-A-R-C what?
Why?
Ma'am.
Stop it.
Marcy insists she has been waiting for hours to have a cigarette and challenges the officer's authority.
Stop.
You know what? I've been waiting for
Stop.
5 hours
Stop.
to have a cigarette.
Stop.
Arrest me.
Stop.
Arrest me.
Marcy,
Stop.
stop it. It's
No.
As soon as we
It
get,
all started
as
from
soon,
What
hey,
from me? What?
your mouth.
as soon as we get,
what?
ma'am, as soon as we get this over with, you'll be able to go get your stuff and you'll be able to
we'll
leave.
Go home.
But if
Marcy,
you
I don't
give me,
even care.
give me your ID.
No,
Mr.
I'm
Marshall,
not.
just
Sergeant.
Because you know what?
Oh, what's that?
Allegiant.
Sergeant Marsh. What? Do you guys live in Florida?
Overserved his
Marcy's obedient husband is at least trying to be reasonable.
ass
fine.
all night.
That's fine.
Not
That's
mine.
fine. That's fine.
His.
Do you live in Florida?
No, we're
No.
in Michigan.
Okay.
Arrest
Well, I need to identify her, and
No.
I'm not going to let
Your
her go.
ID.
No.
Give her
This
ID,
is
we'll go.
for what?
Would you
Hey,
please
stop
give her
yelling.
Tell me for what?
300 Central copy name and
Would
date
you
of birth.
just give her
No.
ID and
For
we're going
what?
to go?
For
Would you
what?
give
Last
her
name.
the ID.
Hey, stop.
I would like to know
Stop.
what
right
I
here.
did.
Marcy, come
Hey.
here. Marcy.
Now things will go down quickly.
Ma'am,
I'm going to have a cigarette, or you can arrest
Come
me
over
right
there.
now.
come over there right now.
Just give
I'm
me
giving
your
you
ID.
your last chance right now.
Marcy.
You have no right to be
Marcy.
doing this.
Yes.
Yes,
I
she
do.
does.
What did I tell me?
You're
what
not
I did.
identifying. You're not identifying yourself.
No, you tell me
Marcy,
why.
give me your goddamn ID. We're
Shut
go
up.
home.
Stand by.
Marcy.
Tell me why I have to.
Because I just ordered you to. That's
Why
Marcy.
did the plane
Marcy.
say
one
I
last
had to?
chance. One last
Marcy,
chance.
look at me.
Why is Marcy surprised that she is placed under arrest for being drunk and disorderly?
Give me your ID.
Nope. Take me in. You have no
Okay,
right.
put your stuff down.
You have
Put
no
your
right.
stuff down. Turn around.
That's a
Turn around.
good deal, Marcy. You're a
You're under arrest.
So ironic that Marcy continues to argue with the officer and accuses him of having little man syndrome.
You didn't even tell me what the problem was.
I explained to you
No, you
3
didn't.
or 4 different
No, you
times.
didn't. You never said
You're-
what the problem was.
They're complaining that you're drunk and disorderly.
Oh, well, they served me.
Okay, I get that they served you.
I hope you're happy.
300 Central. I'm gonna have a white female under arrest
Yep.
here at the airport. Can you have a unit meet me here?
Now can I have a cigarette?
No.
10-4. No.
Now we see the reason she was put off the plane in the first place.
You little man syndrome? Is that what it is?
Well, we're going through the airport.
Little man syndrome?
Let's go.
Oh, let's show it off. Woo! Because they overserved me on Allegiant. And I get arrested because they overserved me on Allegiant. Now you want to f***ing arrest me? I just got off the goddamn plane. How does that look for Allegiant? Real nice.
We feel so sorry for you, Marcy. You couldn't help yourself.
You're pissing me off. Don't you squeeze my arm like that.
Listen,
I'm telling-
stop.
Don't.
Stop.
Don't you.
Stop.
Oh, the
Stop.
bruises that will be there? Let go of me. Let
Stop.
go of me. You're being a
Stop.
son of a bitch. I'm causing a scene.
Yeah.
My wrists are being bruised. My arm is being
Stop.
bruised.
Stop.
It's a compliment for the officer for keeping his patience.
Stop. You are under arrest. Now you're resisting. You are
How
resisting
am I
arrest.
resisting?
Because you are fighting.
How am I fighting you?
You're fighting.
I'm right here against the f***ing door.
So why are you
Am I
hitting the
not
door?
right here against the f***ing door?
Stop.
How am I resisting?
Stop. Stop.
How am I resisting?
Relax.
Think about your wife.
Relax.
Think about your children.
Relax.
All I did was come here for vacation.
Well,
Marcy claims her wrists are being bruised and continues to resist the officer's commands.
Yeah, well,
fortunately, you're going to be doing your first part of the vacation in our jail.
yeah, of course, because you're a little man. Can't wait to get in front of that judge. Because my phone is still recording.
That's fine.
And
That's
the
fine.
bruises,
That's fine.
the
And
bruises,
there's no bruises.
oh, there will be in the morning.
The officer tells Marcy she will spend the first part of her vacation in jail.
Oh, really? You really have to hold me like that?
Yes.
Really?
You're pulling away. And your hands are behind your back. I don't want you to fall.
Oh, to fall as you hold me like that.
Yes.
You wait
Can you
till
open the
those.
door so we can go through that way?
You wait.
Yeah.
Wait for those bruises.
She's extremely intoxicated.
Actually, I'm not.
Okay, just relax.
And I'm not going to be alone with him.
Marcy expresses her intention to show her bruises in court. Good luck with that, Marcy.
Well, it's a good thing I'm here.
No, I'm not.
You're gonna go in here.
I'm not going to be alone with him.
Going through here, man.
I'm not being alone with you in a room. You've already put the cuffs.
I just need her transported, and
Yeah, we'll take care of it.
I don't even know her name yet.
Don't
She refuses.
handle
Come on,
me.
let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You're under arrest for disorderly intoxication
From what?
and resisting.
From what? The airplane?
Yes.
Good that she knows her rights.
After
Yes.
they served me.
Yes, ma'am. I get that they served
No,
you.
if that's your
I get-
car.
I get-
no,
it's
I'm
not
not
my car.
going alone with you.
You're not going with me.
I'm not going with him.
You're going with him.
Okay.
I have not searched her.
Oh, search me.
I said I haven't searched you.
The cuffs?
The officer attempts to retrieve Marcy's ID from her belongings while she continues to object.
No, I don't want my shit in there.
I'm not
No.
putting it back there. I'm going through your stuff to get your ID.
No, you have no right. I want an attorney. No, I request an attorney. You
Okay.
have- no,
Have a seat.
hang on. This is wrong.
Sit.
You have no right to go
Sit
through
in
my-
the car.
I said,
She's finally in a police car where she belongs.
you want to
Sit back.
loosen these a little bit?
Sit back.
You.
All right.
You do not.
You have your camera on.
Yeah, I turned on before I got it.
Illegal! Illegal!
I'm trying to find her ID because she won't give me any information. And her husband's here, but he's not exactly any help either. But at least he had enough sense to just go in the airport.
I understand the additional support. Imagine what her husband faces.
10-4, can you put her DL number out of Michigan in the call? I can just get it from there.
No.
Grand Rapids.
Yeah, that was Grand Rapids.
Okay.
I'll let Shelly know. Take care of her people.
Seriously, she's up there right now.
Is she?
Yeah, she went
All
to
right.
Grand Rapids.
You can give her that.
I just came back from Grand Rapids like a month ago.
For real?
Try to explain this to your coworker.
Well,
I need her.
she said today's the first day of her vacation.
Good. Oh,
Well, I'll be here for a bit.
come on vacation, leave on probation. Is that what the
Yeah.
second is?
I appreciate you guys.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you. They asked me to remove to remove her.
Yeah, to meet at the
Yeah.
So SI's coming over. We didn't hear nothing from you at all over the radio, like assistance or nothing like that. So
Oh no, it's just because I called one of them.
Oh, okay.
Because I was just trying to get her information to send her.
Good that the officer wears a body cam. Now the jury can see her behavior.
You know, with her husband, and she's just being so belligerent and drunk and refusing to give me her ID. So I'm gonna go try to find her husband just to let him know real quick.
Okay, SI's gonna call me. They're gonna give me.
Yeah, I'm gonna need to get their information anyway.
Nobody else complained on the plane, but the one stewardess, because she was mad when I said,
You did this to yourself, Marcy.
don't pull your hair down and shake it like that I have a video of. I want to go to my hotel.
You're going to jail.
Okay. And you know what? Allegiant and your ass will be sued. We come here for vacation and we end up with this? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Your ass will be sued, I'll tell you that right now.
Marcy accuses the officer of not having permission to go through her belongings, insisting on her right to an attorney. What do you think? Do you think the police action was okay, or do you think the suspect acted above the law? Leave a like and comments behind. Stay tuned for more videos.